Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. Today we are going to discuss about the algebraic formula. Here first is the square formula. Square formula. First one is the a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. A minus b whole square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. Next one is the a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Next one is the x plus a into x plus b. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Next one is the a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. Now coming to the cube formula. Here is the cube formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We can write it also a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Again we can write it a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Next, a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now coming to a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Now next one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Here if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now coming to the exponent form. In exponent form, first one is the root over a. Root over a means 2 root a to the power 1 by 2. So 3 root a is equal to a to the power 1 by 3. And root a is equal to a to the power 1 by n. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. If a to the power m b to the power m is equal to a to the a into b whole power m. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. A to the power minus n is equal to a to the power 1 by n. 1 by a to the power n or 1 by a whole power n. A to the power m by n and root over a to the power m. We can write. Now coming to the logarithm formula. In logarithm formula, first one is the log base power 1 or log 1 is equal to 0. Log base power base is equal to 1. log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Log to the power x is equal to x into log a. Log b power a, we can write it as log c to the power a by log c to the power b. Log b power a is equal to log b power c, then we can write it as a is equal to c.